So we are now at Srikola. I'm going with the India Hikes this time. So this is at 6,900 feet. That's Srikola, and that's a Sandarpur Falu trek. And we are staying overnight at Goparma Hotel in Srikola. And there are rooms available on top, and this is where we stayed overnight. So by the way, it was dark yesterday, so we'll just take a quick short walk, which we will explore this local village just to show you how this place is. I'm with my friend Praveen. Hi Praveen. How do you find this place?
Superb. River here.
Yeah.
Throughout the night, you could hear that sound. Only in the morning you could see that actually.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, I woke up so many times because of the kind of noise around, because of the stream. You get to see Srikola right next. That's the Srikola river. Is it river or a stream? They said river, but it looks like stream for me. By the way, we'll just explore this place in the next 5 to 10 minutes before we get our hot cup of tea. Look at the house, the structure of this. Doesn't look like any other typical Indian house. I really like this, the architecture. So there is a suspension bridge here which we wanted to explore. By the way, this campsite, the name of this campsite is Srikola, and Srikola is because of the stream or the river that you are seeing here. And also there is a new road that is being built. As you can see, there's a new road that is being built across. So there is no connectivity beyond this point. I believe there might be some other route, but this is one of the major roads, and there is a bridge being built. So we are lucky to have this bridge here and explore this place. By the way, we are staying in that hotel in the morning. Okay, so there is a signboard saying no fishing allowed, maybe for some holy reason. Suhas, okay,
From Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay, I have a friend from Gujarat here who will be joining us. And this is going to be the morning tea, and this is my lunch box. This is the mug and everything. Just to keep everything to the minimal, I'm trying to make use of this one single Tupperware. It's just that we are enjoying the view which is right in front. There's this stream or the river. It's not as big as a river, but it looks more like a stream. But then the kind of noise it made whole night, which kept me awake at least for a while. I mean, we did not see that. We could see this stream only in the morning. We expected it to be a much bigger or a huge waterfall kind of thing, or with a lot of water. But honestly, it is not that huge, but it is a beautiful little stream, but dangerous enough for us to get into it. because of the slippery stones around. I just had my cup of tea and I just continued to explore this place called Srikola. I'm now right next to the stream, just going closer to the stream. Oh, there are these beautiful birds. I wish if my camera were to be ready, I would have captured that. So here I am right now. Stayed overnight, and that's the bridge, Srikola Bridge, and this is a Srikola stream. Many trekkers come to Sandalpur or follow prefer to stay overnight at Srikola, and there is a reason for that. Other than enjoying the wonderful natural beauty of this place, you can start the trek early in the morning on this place. While on trek, relax by the side of the river, take bath, and you can even have your packed lunch or your breakfast right next to the river. So here are a few things that you can see and do when you are in Srikola. It's a paradise for nature lovers, and here are the main attractions. So the first one would be the beautiful Srikola river. To sit on the bank of the river and enjoy. The second is the hanging wooden suspension bridge. And the next would be the beautiful landscape with wooden cottage having flowering gardens. The one that you cannot forget is Srikola is located at the foothills of Singalila National Park. You can visit the park and see animals like red panda, Himalayan black bear, and deer in their natural habitat. Of course, you'll have to be lucky to spot them. In season, you can see a range of flowers like rhododendron, magnolia, and orchids. Walk through the forest of oak and pine trees and enjoy the atmosphere.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath.